Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you could join me. Today I am going to roll for the next stitch on my Stitches Right blanket game. I will have the link to this down in the description box below if you'd like to check that out. This is something that the Crochet Crowd did a few years back. It says 2020, so about 4 years back, at least when this was done. I think they did it before that possibly, but this pattern is the one that I found. It is free and you just need to be able to know basic stitches. This is as simple as can be. Even, someone who is new to crochet can do this project. It is super simple. So if you remember last time we were here, we rolled for section number 4. Got section 1, 2, 3, and 4. I just finished section 4. The color was peach and the stitch was the loop tracks, which was number 6. This is one right here. So I am ready to roll for section number 5. We already rolled for the color, which is pink, and earlier this week I rolled for the color for section 6 and it came out the baby color, which is this color here. So I think I'm just going to change the rules again. I'm allowed to do that. This is my blanket. I can do what I want. So I'm just going to stick with these 3 colors, the peach, the pink, and the baby color. And, I'm going to make the blue be like, here, let's just change it right now. Because I'm hoping this will be, I can do this for a fair project. Put this under the baby miscellaneous category for like a baby blanket. Let's just change the blue to, let's say pink, 3 peach yellow, we'll make peach, and number 6, we'll make it the baby. So peach, or pink, peach, baby, peach, pink, baby. That works. So then I won't be rolling again if I roll a 6. But the stitches I'm going to just leave the same. And I said at least 9 sections, so I've got, well, the stitches, actually, let me go back. There's 6 stitches. So if I do each stitch once and then repeat them, then that'll give me 12 rows, which that will be about perfect because I need at least 9 rows. So that'll give me 12 rows total. So this will be plenty big for a baby blanket. So that is the current plan. Stick with these 3 colors, I change that, and then repeat, only roll for them, but I have to roll again if I roll one when I've already done. So the stitches will be random, but the colors will also be random, but just these 3 colors. Does that make sense? I hope so. Remind me, because I might forget. But anyway, so we are ready to roll for section 5, which will be going back to the pink color. And I'm just going to use random.org again. Let's see if I can find it. It should still be here. Random.org. And I'm just going to put in, I'm human. There we go. Thank you. I'm just going to put in 6. And if it's one that I've already done, because I got, let's see, I've done 1, 5, 4, 1, 5, 4. So when I had 2, I've done 3, 1, 5, and 6. So I need 2 and 4. That's what I need. So we're going to roll and see which we do, either 2 or 4. Looking at the thing here, 2 is clusters, and 4 will be the treble ribs. So let's see, are we going to do 2 or 4? But we'll roll with 6 and see what it does. It says 5. I've already done 5, so we have to generate again 2. So we're going to do stitch number 2, which is clusters. And that stitch will be done in the pink. So stitch number 2. Clusters. Number 2. So we know obviously that section 6, which will be with the baby color, will obviously be, is it number 4? I've already forgotten. Oh my goodness. 2 is clusters. Yeah, 4. Where's it at? 4 will be the treble rib. That way we have each stitch, and then we will do them randomly again. The only thing next time is I cannot have the same color together or the same stitch. That is my rule from when I first started this blanket. So, and obviously this blanket is going to be meant for a baby girl because it is mostly girl colors. I'm not saying they cannot be used for a boy, but in my personal opinion, it would be more suitable for a girl, baby girl blanket. So I'm going to put this up. I am going to read how to do the clusters, which it should be fairly simple. It says it starts on the right side of the project, which I am showing you the right side here. And it ends on the right side. So, woo! And it'll probably be similar to the popcorn stitch because it says you will see 2 distinct rows of clusters in this section. So there'll be 2 distinct rows like this for the clusters. So I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you are making this blanket or going along with this Crochet Crowd Stitches Right blanket game, let me know down in the comments below. If you've chosen your colors, let me know what colors you're using. And yeah, I'll see you when I get this next section done. So thank you guys for joining me. I will see you, like I just said. Oh my gosh, it's been a day. It is Thursday. It is the beginning of my work weekend, as always. So I will see you guys real soon in my next video.